Croeso everybody, this is B, and I wanted to introduce you to a new friend of mine. I saw him on the Crystal Heaven Facebook page, and you can trust Crystal Heaven's products, pieces. Can't really call them that really, because they're friends. And this one is a garnet. It's 15.5 kilo of garnet. It's a fire dragon, and the moment I saw him, I fell in love. And I asked his permission to see if I was allowed to get him and come into my house, work with me, work with the magic of the dragons, really to be a leader of our dragon allies that we have been working with for a long time. And you can imagine my surprise and my joy when he agreed. Now, he hasn't given me his name yet. Janet suggests Eric, but I'm not sure that that's what it is. But with dragons, it's always the same. You have to have patience. You have to get to know them. You have to ask them for permission to work with them. You have to show your worth. Be a safe pair of hands. And so that is what I'm going to be doing in the next few months. Now, you all know that we're going to start this amazing crystal course in February. It's a diploma course, and it is taught by Tina and myself. And it was very interesting that this beautiful being came into our life just as we were ready to launch the course. So now I'm wondering whether this is a gift from the dragon realm, because this being has an enormous amount of power, and it is made from a stone, from a semi-precious stone, garnet, that is one of my favorites. The fire in him. You can see the gold rutilation as you're looking, the flashes, the fire. Absolutely stunning. And I will get better lighting to show you more of him, to show you where the real power points are. But for me, I'm just incredibly grateful, and this is a gift for my birthday in a few months to myself and to those who come to travel with us. Such a beautiful boy, such a beautiful being. I'm so in love with him. And when you go to our YouTube page, I will have posted a journey with him to the realms of the ancestors. There is already one on the Coffee account, and if you'd like to have the extended version, you're very welcome to come to our Coffee account. It'll be below here, and hear the whole of that journey. I hope that you enjoy the energy that he is bringing forward, and we have our Atlantean blue crystal here as well, so that is working with us as well. So today is a big crystal day. If you love him, call on him. You can ask his name. He may tell you long before he tells me. Maybe you are worthy, whilst I still have work to do. And on that note, blessed be.